This is Dwayne and our dog Duke, and I am Dina. We are traveling with our 29-foot fifth wheel. Join us as we travel across the Southwest to see this great country. We are the best of us, the Floros. Sure makes you want to take a walk around here. Summer rattlesnakes come out because they like to get warm. So you have to really watch where you walk because you'll see them cooled up. And they won't really come after you. They will if you step on them. So you have to be careful. So it's nice being back in Arizona, especially when it's the winter. This is not the winter, but in the winter it feels so good out here. You can see that mountain. They're just different kind of mountain that we're used to in the east, and I always called these the real mountains. It does have a beauty of all its own. Duke is just enjoying himself. So this was our last stop before we hit Tucson, and now we are on our way.
So we're coming up on Cochise last stronghold. He hid up in the mountains. He could see 2/3 of the United States cavalry coming across this valley days out. They made their plan as they hid up in the mountain. We have been up there before, and the point of view and the places to hide behind the big boulders and the rocks and the crevices was an excellent point for them to hold off the cavalry. But after so long, Cochise, in meetings with leaders of other tribes that had come in to stand with him, he made the decision that he would negotiate and he would surrender himself over to the United States cavalry. Some of the other chiefs were greatly upset that he would do that and felt it was a great dishonor to his name and to his people. Cochise, on the other hand, thought that there was a better chance for the survival of the Cochise Indians because of the way the United States military was developing against them, and that they would just completely be eliminated. So Cochise thought of what was best for he and his people as he gave up of himself as the United States cavalry continued to hold them off from moving, and felt it was the best thing that he could do to diffuse the whole situation.
He thought it was better for his people, didn't he? For survival?
Yes.
For his tribe?
Yes. Rather than thinking of himself, which I'm sure he struggled as a man who was very proud to not die for his cause and for his heritage, but at the same time he thought beyond that to his people and to their legacy that would come after him. He's quite a man. If you study his life story, he was an incredible individual. You can see the forest fires where they've had through here years
zone has been hit really bad. And see the black. All of this must have been on fire. This is a Tucson Sunset.
What a beautiful day today. Went to the kids' house. And Dina jumped in the pool and I checked the backside of my eyelids for a little while. We just had a great relaxing day and time.
Yeah.
Last night we sat in their driveway and watched the community fireworks go off just down from their house. Just been a good stay, good time, and tomorrow's going to be another good day as well.
It is. We are in a, what's it called, 40 South RV Park.
I think that's it.
It's about, golly, not even 10 minutes from the kids' house, because we couldn't park at their house, obviously, because of the codes they have. But this place, as you can imagine, in the winter is packed. You cannot get a site anywhere, and it's right off of I-10. So it's a great place if you're just coming through Tucson. It's a great place to park. They have a pool, and they have a dog run, which is where we're going. They love these trees. I'm pretty sure they're not indigenous of Tucson. I think they came from Hawaii. I'll have to ask our daughter Melissa. Not sure where we're going. Our son-in-law and daughter are taking us somewhere because he knows all the mountains around Tucson. But here we go.
Clark, I think we're lost.
We're not lost. Ellen, will you please let me do the driving?
Perfect.
Silent prayers, open sky. Together we go. Wild frontier, morning light, and all that follows. In the sun, in the storm, it's all or nothing. Here with you, I'm so sure we're on to something. Run into the night.
Here we are at the Sonoran Desert, taking in the sights and the beautiful scenes that are all around us.
Just a little hot here.
A little. It's getting warmer by the moment.
It doesn't take long, and it is today. There's not much humidity like there has been because they had so much rain, and it immediately it just gets very, very hot. But there's a breeze here. It's really nice.
Looking up, and now we see the world it waits to be discovered. Every moment filled with wonder. Oh, we know what we were meant for. This great adventure. This great adventure.
So we're entering Saguaro National Park, and you don't have to have a park pass to get in, just to let you know, even though we do have one. So it says, standing like desert sentinels, mature saguaros start life as tiny black seeds. These seeds usually germinate under nurse plants, but only a few survive to become mature saguaros. Saguaros begin flowering after they grow about 8 feet tall. And the birds eat the seeds and the seedlings. People step on them, and then thousands of young plants can die because of intense sun or heavy rain. When saguaros reach about 75 years of age, they might begin sprouting branches or arms. You can see the flowers on them, but they have a festival when they do flower. The oldest saguaros may weigh more than 7 tons and grow taller than a 4-story building. They seldom live more than 200 years. The Sonoran Desert can be described as a desert jungle because more than 200 species of animals and 600 species of plants live here. Saguaros with their branching arms and accordion-like pleats dominate the scene, intermixed with these cacti or other common plants such as teddy bear, I can't say it right, koalas, creosote bushes, and octillos. Every time we come to Tucson, Dwayne has to get In-N-Out Burger, and you think it's for the burger. Now, they do have good burgers. No, it's for the t-shirt. I can't begin to tell you how many t-shirts he has from In-N-Out. It's a lot. And also, their signature, our daughter said, is this palm trees, the cross. So every In-N-Out has one. I didn't know that.